Hello and welcome to another video where we're going to be looking at using Microsoft Publisher 2010 in order to create this internet safety poster. So if you've gone through all of the videos now, you should pretty much be at this point minus the word art like this, or it should look something similar. So what we're going to do then is use our word art. Now word art, if used properly, can actually look quite good. So what I'm going to do, obviously go to the Insert tab and along the ribbon to Wordart, and you actually get these preset choices here. So you can choose from one of those if you want, and you can then edit it afterwards. One thing I always do, because I always change things anyway, is I just choose one of the ones at the top, and I type in here, just let me check what my text is, sending an email safely. So there's my title. Now obviously I can change the size of the font from here if I want to, but it doesn't matter, I can do all of this after. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press OK for the time being. And there we have my word art. Now what I can do is if I click here and I go to Format for the word art tools, I can actually edit the text. So I can change there if I want to add it into another line, if I want to put it on 2 lines for example. So I can edit text that way, or if I make a mistake and realize that I need to change it, I can do that. Okay, I can also change the spacing. You can see there, I can change the spacing, play about with that if you want to see how it looks. So I'm going to do mine like that. I'm going to keep mine tightly close together. And there's lots of other things you can do as well. If you see up here, I can use 3D effects like this, and you can have a play about with those options to see what you prefer. What I can also do is change the shape like this. A few different options there you can see, but I'm actually going to keep mine straight as it is. I can change the actual outline of the outline color and the size of the outline. So if I want that to be the purple to stick with my color theme, choose that, and then I can go back into shape outline and I can change the weight. But be careful with this because sometimes it can actually distort the text. So I'm going to choose that, and what I'm going to do then is I'm going to change the fill. Now changing the shape fill here with the word art is exactly the same as it would be with a shape, really, is that I can fill it with a texture, a pattern, or a gradient fill, so it goes from one color into the next. I can use a picture, but you have to be careful with the picture because sometimes people pick a picture and insert it and you can't really see what the picture is, so you have to think carefully about your picture. It's probably better to use a wider image rather than a taller image, so you can see most of the image in there. But as it is for now, I'm just going to fill mine yellow, because they're the 2 colors I've chosen, and I can drag that down there, and that's essentially the poster finished. So hopefully if you've gone through the videos now, you should have something that looks like this, and you'll be ready then to transfer those skills into your own video, I do apologize, your own poster. But obviously your poster can cover any element of internet safety that you want. So hopefully that's worked out for you.